Danger zone. Going in with a firm offer to purchase. Do you think with your heart? Most people do. Well, buying a home is a big decision, and you shouldn't let your heart do all the thinking. Here is why firm offers are dangerous. Buying a home is exciting. See, real estate prices are high, competition is intense, prices can go sky high and then drop like an anchor almost daily. How can you protect yourself? Emotional purchases, like making a firm offer to buy to ward off competitors, often suffer from the 3 R's: rushed, risky, and remorseful. What could possibly go wrong? Before you hand over that $5,000 deposit, think about it. You are making a major life purchase that could be irrevocable. A firm offer can give you the advantage when the property or market is hot. Of course, the seller is delighted. Who wouldn't be? It could be a jungle out there. You have to strike while the iron is hot. Still, acting impulsively is expensive. You could be locked in even if you change your mind. Now you say, I know that. I'm going for it anyway. What could possibly go wrong? Why home buying emotions are expensive. Less due diligence, pressure from counteroffers, and overlooked details. When you are under pressure, you may waive conditions that protect you as a buyer. That home inspection or financing condition has a purpose. It gives you and the seller a way out if you need it. You could neglect to notice a noisy freeway. Do you really want to listen to traffic 24/7, let alone worry about your kid's safety? Does your lender know about your plans? If you don't get financing on time, you could lose that deposit. Then there's your current home. Can you sell it in time to close the deal? You may be feeling optimistic today, but reality can hit home with a thud when a firm offer is all you have. Now, we've reviewed what can go wrong. If you still plan to go ahead, here are some precautions you should take. Visit and revisit the property. Ask for full disclosure. Talk to your lender and get it in writing. Getting it in writing could give you an upper hand if you had to go to court. So can full disclosure. If the seller hides information from you, a court may be sympathetic. Just know that court tends to uphold contracts as is. That's why visiting the property over and over is a good idea. Cruise around the neighborhood, drop into the local market, and talk to some locals. In other words, get the skinny before you buy. Your lender also deserves a heads up. After all, they may have to make hard decisions if your impulse purchase goes wrong. Is anyone safe? Having said all that, a firm offer can work to your advantage if you can make your own repairs, you have extra cash to fix defects, and your financing is 100% solid. Some buyers are at less risk because they know their way around a fixer-upper. Replacing worn-out hardwood, no problem. Repair a leaky gutter, no big deal. You can also be on firm ground if you have some spare cash laying around. Potential defects can be fixed, but for a price. Be aware that not all home repairs are cheap. Can you really afford it? Dangerous wiring, a faulty foundation, termites, widespread rot? You could wind up with a white elephant, so be prepared. Have you checked local building and zoning bylaws? That front porch or second story you want to add may not fly. And what if your financing falls through? Now that you own the home, are you sure you can rent or sell it before you run out of cash? When a firm offer makes sense. You're pretty savvy. We get it. That being the case, we recommend a firm offer only when and if you understand the consequences. You can recover from a mistake, you're ready to go to court if necessary, and you can resell or rent the home if needed. Whatever you decide, good luck. Axess Law is here to help you through all the steps of your home purchase. For more information, go to axesslaw.com or go to our YouTube channel and subscribe.